In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Google Translate extension in Google Chrome. This is a great way to ensure that you're able to understand and translate text from any language while browsing the web. Whether you're using Chrome for work, school, or personal use, having the ability to translate foreign language content is incredibly helpful. Let's get started on setting this up. To begin, you'll need to launch Google Chrome on your computer. If it's not already open, locate the Chrome icon in your Applications or taskbar and click to open it. With Chrome up and running, the next step is to access the Chrome Web Store. This is the online store where you can find and add extensions, including Google Translate. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store and hit Enter, which will direct you to the store homepage. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, there is a search bar in the top left corner. Click into this search bar and type in Google Translate extension. As you type, you'll often see suggestions pop up, making it even easier to find the right extension. After typing the name, press Enter, and you should see the Google Translate extension as one of the top results. Now, look for the official extension provided by Google, which should be evident from its icon and the high number of positive reviews. After identifying the Google Translate extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. This will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear on your screen. The dialog is asking you to confirm that you want to add Google Translate to your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on Add Extension. Your Chrome browser may take a moment to install it, and then you'll see that Google Translate has been successfully added, with a little browser notification and an icon appearing at the top right corner next to your address bar. Now that the extension is installed, let's review how to use it. Whenever you come across a web page or a section of text in a different language, you can click on the Google Translate icon. A small window will appear, allowing you to select the part of the page you want translated, or translate the entire web page with just one click. You can choose which language you'd like to translate to, making it an incredibly versatile tool. For further customization, you can right-click on the Google Translate icon and choose Options to set your preferred languages or other settings according to your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up the Google Translate extension, and you're now ready to navigate through content in any language with ease. Happy browsing, and enjoy the world of information now even more accessible to you.